In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the destination feature from WP Travel Engine, step by step. This guide is aimed at helping you enhance the travel functionalities on your WordPress site with ease. So let's dive right into it. Our journey begins with logging into your WordPress dashboard. It's the central hub where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, the next step is to find the WP Travel Engine option on the left-hand menu of your dashboard. You'll want to hover over it or click to reveal more options. From there, navigate to Settings. This is where you can tweak various travel-related settings on your site. Now that you're in the Settings section, you'll notice multiple tabs at the top. Look for the one labeled Modules. Clicking on this tab will bring up a list of available modules that extend the functionality of the WP Travel Engine plugin. Our focus today is on enabling the Destinations module, so we'll need to scroll through this list to find it. Once you've located the Destinations module, you'll see a simple toggle switch next to it. The next step is a crucial one. You'll need to toggle that switch to the On position to enable the Destinations feature. This change is important because it allows you to add and show different travel destinations on your website effectively. After flipping that switch, don't forget to save your changes. Scroll to the bottom of the page and hit the Save Changes button. This action ensures that your new settings are saved and applied. With the Destinations module now active, head over to the main sidebar on the dashboard again. Click on Trips, and you'll find a new option titled Destinations. This is where you can add and manage all your travel destinations. To begin adding a new destination, click on Add New Destination. Here, you can get creative. Enter a name for your destination, add a captivating description, and set a featured image that best represents it. Once you've filled out all the details, you're almost done. Just hit the Publish button, and your new destination will go live on your site, ready to inspire and inform your visitors. The final steps involve integrating these destinations into your trips. Navigate back to the Trips section and select Add New Trip. As you scroll down, you'll find a section titled Trip Destinations. From here, simply select the destination you've created, which will now be available in the list. Once selected, you only need to publish this new trip, and there you have it. Your trip now features the destination you've enabled. By following these steps, you're not just adding a feature, you're enhancing user experience by providing detailed, organized travel options to your audience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring all the new destinations you can now showcase.